before the game starts, I would like to request the players to proceed first towards the end line as Mayor Diaz will give us a short speech. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. But before the furtherance, I acknowledge with all sincerity. Of course, I would like to extend my earnest and sincerest gratitude to the President of the PBL, Sir Ricky Palou. Palakpakan po natin si Sir Ricky Palou. Nandito ng ating commissioner. Walang iba kundi si Commissioner Sherwin Malonzo. Palakpakan po natin. At mga iba't ibang teams po, mga players ng ibang teams na tulad ng Farm Fresh Foxes, palakpakan natin. PLB Hawks Team Keepers, Choco Mucho Flying Alphans, Alaga naman, and Petrogas Angels. Well, the task assigned to me this afternoon is to welcome you all and sundry, mga minamahal kong mga bisita namin. Ilagan! Actually, hindi lang po mga taga-Ilagan narito, kundi buong Cagayan Valley po. And let me extend my earnest and sincerest gratitude to the management of the PBL for having considered Ilagan as the venue of this very prestigious and very momentous event this afternoon po. And I would just want to convey the elation of the 180,000 Ilagueños sa pagdating po ng mga bisita namin. In behalf of the official rank of the City of Ilagan, headed by the Honorable Vice Mayor Jacobson Diaz, and members of the Honorable Council, we welcome you all with warmth and cordiality in the city. Mayor Sir, stay here in the city. Be your home, away from home. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat.
Thank you so much, Mayor Jose Marie L.